Hello, today I'm going to display static security with JVT and role-based access control step by step. We will build a system where users get basic access, managers get medium level access, admins get full access. First, let's understand our project structure. We have several packages: config, controller, data, init, repository, service, security. Config, it's constant security config for setting up security roles. Controller has out controller for login register and test controller for testing endpoints. Data transfer objects for request and responses. User entity representing our database table. User repository for database operations. A service business logic layer and security contains GT policies and filters. The user entity is our code model. It has ID, auto-generate PMK username, password, and role. The customer data service loads user data uh, automation. Spring Security needs to verify credits, so this service takes a username, search the database using user repository. If found, converts user entity to Spring Security user data format. If not found, throw username not found expression. And GVT util handles all GVT operations. Generate token method takes a username, creates a GVT token with subject, use date, expiration, and syncs with our security key using HTTC 256 algorithm. And how it works: intercepts every HTTP request, checks the authorization header. If it starts with bearer, extracts the token, uses GVT util to extract the username, loads user details from custom user detail service, and create object with user info and rows, stores it in security context. Now Spring knows who is making the request, passes the request to the next filter, and security config is where we define all security roles. Currency disabled because we are using GVT. We don't need KSR-free protection. Public permit all means anyone can access. User has role. User means only users with user role. Manager only manager role. Admin only admin role. Any request. Everything else requests. And after controller handles request and login. Resets username, password, and role. Create a new user object. Encodes password using VCP password encoder. Never store plain password. Sets the role. Saves to database. Returns success message. Login endpoint. Reserves username and password. Users to verify details. If success, generates JVT token using JVT util. Returns the token to the client. Client stores this token and sends it with future requests. These are the only endpoints that don't request a token. And task controller demonstrates role-based access with 4 endpoints: public hello, user hello, manager hello, admin hello. The configuration only allows exact role matching. To create a hero, we need to use role hierarchy or has any role, but in this basic step, user can only access user, manager can only access manager, admin can only access admin. Very important, we need to register password and go as a Spring Bean, and inside security config or any configuration class. Being public password encoder password encoder return new PC ripped password encoder. Purpose increase password during registration, whereas password during login uses PC ripped algorithm, even if database is compromised, password can be reversed. Configuration file contains database setting using H2 in memory database for testing. After creates tables on startup, H2 console enable for debugging. This testing with postman. Step 1. Post to after register body username user1 password 123 role user. Report for manager 1 with manager role. Repeat for admin with admin role. Step 2. Login post to after login body username user1 password 123. Copy the GVT token from response. Step 3. Test endpoints at header. After session peer get public hello works for everyone, get user hello works only with user, get manager hello works only with manager, get admin hello works with only admin. How it all works together. User register password encrypt saved to database. User logs in, credits verified, GVT token generated, returned to client. User make request with token in header. GVT filter intercepts, extracts token, verifies and extracts username, loads user details, gets role from database, create automation object stores in security context. Security config checks does user's role match endpoint requirement. If yes, request process to control response return. If no, 403 forbidden. What is RBC role-based access control? Assigning permissions based on user roles, not individual users. Has role looks for role user and has authority looks for access match. Why is the GVT stateless? Server doesn't store section data. Token contains all information. Benefits searchable, scalable. No session storage works across microservice, mobile friendly. GVT stateless authentication, roles control access levels, filter valuable tokens on every request, security config defines who can access what. Always increase password, use strong GVT secrets, set reasonable token expiration, use HTTPC in production, implement token refresh mechanism at expression handling, log security events. And practical tags to try at password, implement refresh tokens, and throw hierarchy, create CRUD operations with different permissions. Thank you for watching.